Today we are going to make Pazham Pradhaman recipe, or which is also famously known as Nenthra Pazham Pradhaman. So it's a combination of jaggery, coconut milk and banana, and this combination can never go wrong. So to start with, we need 2 very ripe bananas. The more it's ripe, it's more sweet. So always make sure your banana is completely ripe. And we need to cut it in small pieces. And cook the banana. I prefer cooking it in microwave. If you don't have microwave, you can even steam the banana. For this we need 1/4 cup of water. I microwave it for around 7 minutes. Now your banana is completely cooked. Let it cool down and then peel it and put it in a mixie, because we need to make a paste of the banana. I don't like any chunk in my payasam, so I make a very smooth paste. And next step is to make a jaggery paste. I have taken around 100 grams of jaggery. Add half cup of water. To make a jaggery syrup. Next step is to take a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. And add the fine paste which we have made of banana. And cook it in the ghee well. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes for your banana to be cooked well. Always keep stirring, otherwise there are chances that your banana gets burned. So now you can see the color is almost changed. Take a strainer, strain the jaggery syrup to remove the impurities, and mix banana and jaggery well, and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes till the jaggery and banana are well blend. Now when you see it's cooked well, add a pinch of salt. Adding the salt will balance your sweetness. Take some jeera and some cardamom. Crush it well. And add this to your payasam. Meanwhile, keep stirring your payasam. So everything is well blended. This is the time to add thick coconut milk. I am adding around 200 ml of coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, don't boil it. Always keep it in a low flame. Now you don't have to cook this payasam anymore. If you want, you can just off your stove and cook it in the and keep mixing it in the heat. It will get cooked. Now take a pan, add some ghee and cashews. When the cashew starts turning into golden color, add some raisins. Now add this to your payasam. If you have pieces of coconut, you can even add it. It will give you a nice taste to your payasam. And now your yummy Pazham Pradhaman is ready. It's a good combination with Palada Payasam. And if you have not watched, please do watch that video too. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your family members. Thank you.